This pandemic has brought about a lot of change in us. The way we live, the way we work, and especially the way we do our hobbies. Like us, like me, a Filipino content creator who does a lot of contents using my smartphone. And one of my favorite smartphones to go to is the Oppo Reno 5. I'm a big fan of the Oppo Reno series, especially the camera is great. I love taking pictures on this phone. So the Oppo Reno 5 packs a lot of features inside this camera, and it has one of my favorite, the AI dual view video, the AI highlight video, and of course the AI mix portrait. So why not? Let's check it out. So guys, right now we're going to unbox the Oppo Reno 5. What we have here is the 5G edition. The box is color green and it has a big number 5 on the front. So taking the box out of the box, we can see that there is basically nothing in here since I'm already using it right now. Gotcha. So all of you Filipino content creators out there, do check out this Oppo Reno 5 and picture life together. I'm sure you'll be having a lot of fun using this camera. It's very easy to use, especially when you're editing. Just a breeze using this one. So I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and I hope you catch the Oppo Reno 5 full review on my YouTube channel. See ya!